What is up, guys? We're in the kitchen, and I don't know what you guys have been eating in quarantine, but we're gonna be making today one of my only specialties. So let me hit you with these ingredients. All right, first ingredient, a little bit of chicken ramen. That's right, age-old classic. Then real chicken breast. And we've got the best teriyaki sauce of all time, Kikkoman teriyaki sauce. That thing's always sold out. Ground pepper, garlic powder, seasoned salt, and that's pretty much all you need. I totally forgot to say that you should get some sort of greens of your choice and steam them up for this. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and clean up any fat off of your chicken breasts, and then slice them long ways, and then cube those long strips up into about 3/4 inch cubes, and go ahead and put them in a bowl next to you. You can see I've got the same number of chicken breasts as ramen noodle packs. That's a good ratio if you have medium-sized chicken breasts. If they're bigger or smaller, you can mix it up. Then you're gonna take olive oil and gonna coat the chicken breasts. Just pour it into that bowl. You're gonna go ahead and season them now with some black pepper, with some garlic powder, and then with some seasoning salt. Yikes, I did not mean for that to happen. And go ahead and get your hands dirty, get in there, mix it all up until all of the chicken breast chunks are evenly coated. Should look something like this. Everything should be seasoned, ready to go into a pan. So you're gonna wanna put your ramen flavoring packets into a pot with some water in it. Go ahead and start heating that up. Maybe don't get it like frothing boiling yet, but get ready to. And then go ahead and have your chicken on a medium-high heat and sear it on each side. Just continue flipping it till it's all seared. As your chicken gets seared on every side, you're gonna probably make sure that your ramen is turned all the way up, and then get the water in your veggies up to a boil and cover it up, turn it down to low so you can steam those guys up. Once your ramen water is boiling, you can go ahead and put in the noodles. Cook those guys up. One thing to note with the noodles is you definitely don't want to overcook them, or else they become kind of mushy. As they get closer to being done, you just want to test them. Just pull one out with a fork, and you want it to be not tough, but also not mushy. Once those noodles are done, you're gonna drain out the broth and put them back into that same pot. Then you're gonna actually take all of your chicken that's seared up. Should be a little bit brown on each side when it's done, just a tiny bit, and go ahead and put them in with the noodles. Get your teriyaki sauce out, and we're gonna do a generous pour of teriyaki sauce, because what we really wanna do is cook it up a little bit. That's what makes it really good, when it gets cooked up and reduced a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and mix it up really well into our noodles and chicken concoction as our vegetables finish steaming. You wanna get it mixed up well so that there's no place where there's no teriyaki sauce, and then go ahead and let it cook up on like a medium-low heat. Once your veggies are finished steaming, go ahead and drain out any water in there and pour them on in to your main pot and mix it all up so that the veggies are also well mixed in the whole time. This is staying on a medium heat, and the sauce should just be continuing to cook in there. Make sure you're mixing it up here and there, and that's it. One delicious, cheap, fast, healthy meal, chicken ramen teriyaki. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think down in the comments if you cook it, if you try it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'll see you in the next one.